Do you feel your legs becoming heavier every morning? Does the lingering back pain make every single step you take feel like a cautious, difficult challenge? Don't blame yourself for this discomfort, it is not your fault. It is simply a cry for help from a body that has forgotten its power. The pain you feel is a message from your system, asking for support. It is a sign that your natural strength is currently lying dormant inside. Every small obstacle seems like a mountain when your core is quiet. But this is not the end, it is the beginning of your new recovery. Your spine has carried you through a lifetime of memories. Now, it is time to give back to the pillar that has always supported your dreams. You deserve to move with the same ease you once knew. The path back to confidence is much closer than you might imagine right now. Let go of the guilt and the frustration you feel. Your body is simply waiting for the right signal to reactivate its amazing inner strength. That sense of lightness is still within you, hidden under layers of tension. Today, we begin the process of uncovering that natural, fluid grace again. Listen closely as we reveal the secret of the Golden Fulcrum. This one discovery will change the way you perceive your body and its movement. Welcome to a new chapter of vitality. We are about to explore the internal armor that will protect your spine and restore your youthful confidence. Deep inside your torso lies the Golden Fulcrum. It is a sophisticated network of muscles designed to be your body's most powerful natural support system. Think of it as your internal armor, a hidden engine that works silently to stabilize every move you make. From standing up to walking forward. Without this fulcrum, your spine is like a tree without roots. With it, you become an unshakable force, balanced and ready for any physical activity. This golden shield absorbs the pressure of daily life. It takes the burden off your joints and places it onto your strong, capable core muscles. When you activate this area, you are essentially programming your body for safety. It is the ultimate key to walking without the fear of falling. You don't need heavy weights or complex machines to find it. This power is already yours. You only need to learn how to turn it on. This is your second heart's foundation. It pumps confidence through your veins and gives your steps a renewed sense of purpose and incredible lightness. Let us begin our first exercise together. We will focus on waking up this hidden engine with gentle, intentional movements that anyone can master safely. The journey starts with the breath. Every inhale prepares the body, and every exhale connects you deeper to that golden point of inner stability. Lie down on a firm, comfortable surface. Feel the weight of your body being fully supported by the ground as you find your center today. This first exercise is called the hidden engine activation. It creates a safe space for your spine to breathe and decompress from daily stress. Slowly exhale and press your lower back down into the floor. Imagine your spine is like a root system firmly anchoring itself into the earth. Keep your movements small and focused. It is not about the range of motion, but about the quality of the connection you feel inside. Inhale to release, exhale to engage. With every breath, you are building a stronger foundation that will protect you through every single future step. Relax your neck and shoulders completely. Let the strength come only from your center, where the Golden Fulcrum lives and waits for your command. Can you feel the relief? By engaging these muscles, you are taking the pressure off your sensitive nerves and giving your back much needed freedom. Ensure your back remains glued to the floor. This simple alignment is the most important secret to reversing years of chronic lower back pain. No matter your age, this movement is accessible and effective. It is the first step toward reclaiming the active life you thought was gone. Take your time with each repetition. 10 slow, mindful movements are far more beneficial than 50 fast ones that ignore the core's true power. If you have recently had surgery, please move with extra care. Your safety is our priority, so consult your doctor before starting any routine. You can modify this to fit your comfort level. The goal is connection, not strain, so listen to the signals your body is sending you. Feel the heat building in your midsection. That is the energy of your Golden Fulcrum waking up and preparing to support your every move. As the core strengthens, your nervous system begins to relax. The constant, fight or flight, response from pain starts to fade away into peace. Place your hands on your belly to feel the magic happening. You are literally reshaping your internal support system with every single breath today. When you are finished, always roll to your side to sit up. Protect the progress you have made by moving with mindfulness and total grace. Notice how you feel as you stand. Do you feel a bit more grounded? This is just the beginning of your physical transformation and freedom. Now that we have awakened the engine, let us activate the power of your legs. We are heading toward your second heart right now. Did you know your calf muscles are often called your second heart? They play a vital role in pumping blood back up to your chest. When your calves are strong, your circulation improves, and your legs feel lighter. This is the secret to walking long distances without getting tired. Stand tall and use a sturdy chair for support. Safety is our foundation. And having a firm point of contact ensures you stay perfectly balanced. Slowly rise onto the balls of your feet. Feel the power surging through your lower legs as you reach for the sky with your head. Hold the position for a brief second at the top. This moment of stillness is where your balance is reprogrammed and your strength is forged. Lower your heels back down even slower than you lifted them. This control is what builds the endurance you need for stable, confident walking everywhere. Every lift is a signal to your body to stay active. You are literally pumping life and vitality back into your entire system with each representative. Keep your weight evenly distributed across your toes. A strong base starts with your feet, the literal foundation of your entire physical being. Smile as you move. You are doing something wonderful for your health. This simple act is a powerful investment in your future mobility and joy. Aim for 15 repetitions. As you get stronger, you will notice that your legs feel less like lead and more like they have springs inside. This movement is a natural remedy for swelling and heaviness. By activating your second heart, you are refreshing your body from the ground up. If you experience sharp pain or have severe vein conditions, please limit your range of motion. Listen to your body's wisdom above all else. Maintain a tall posture. Imagine a golden thread pulling the crown of your head toward the ceiling, keeping your spine long and perfectly safe. Every movement is an act of self-care. You are retraining your brain to trust your body again, one slow, controlled lift at a time. As you gain confidence, you might find your balance improving naturally. The chair is always there for you, but your inner strength is growing fast. Your brain is learning to coordinate with your muscles again. This neural connection is what will keep you safe and steady on any surface. Great work. Shake out your legs and feel the blood flowing. You have just given your heart a huge helping hand today. Well done. Now, let us combine our core stability and leg power into one final harmonious movement. This is where we reprogram your daily walking patterns. True mobility comes from coordination. When your arms and legs move in harmony, your back is protected and your energy is used efficiently. Use a wall for safety if needed. This opposite limb movement is the gold standard for restoring balance and preventing falls in seniors everywhere. Slow movement is the key. By moving slowly, you force your deep core muscles, the Golden Fulcrum, to work much harder to keep you upright. This cross-patterning reboots your brain's balance center. It is like updating the software of your physical movement for a smoother, safer walking experience. Left arm, right knee. Feel the diagonal connection across your torso. This is the very same pattern that nature intended for our perfect gait. Find a steady point to look at. Your eyes help your body navigate space, and a steady gaze leads to a steady and confident step. Even as your limbs move, your center remains as still as a rock. This is the ultimate goal of our practice today, stillness in motion. You are building the majesty of your walk again. Each repetition is a vote for a future where you move with total, uninhibited freedom. Do not lean though, keep your breath flowing like a gentle river. Oxygen nourishes your muscles and keeps your mind clear and focused on balance. Feel the texture of the ground. You are becoming more aware of your body's relationship with the world around it, which is the key to safety. You have done it. You have activated the Golden Fulcrum, energized your second heart, and reprogrammed your balance. You should be very proud. These 3 steps are your new daily ritual. They are the keys to a life without back pain and a future filled with confident steps. Notice how much lighter you feel. The burden of pain is lifting, replaced by the buoyancy of a body that knows its own strength again. Freedom isn't something you lose with age, it is something you maintain with wisdom. You now have the tools to keep your freedom forever. Look at the transformation. The same person who once struggled to pick up a flower is now walking with the majesty of a mountain. Your strength was never gone, it was only waiting for this moment. It was waiting for you to decide to take your power back today. You can do this. Every step you take from now on is a testament to your resilience and your commitment to a healthy, vibrant life. Don't forget to comment, second heart activated, below. Let us celebrate your progress and inspire others to start their own journey to health. Share this with someone you love who needs to find their confidence again. Together, we can build a world where everyone walks with pride. Until we meet again, keep moving, keep breathing, and keep trusting in your Golden Fulcrum. Your best steps are still ahead of you.